That's right, flowers. Maisie is hiking in the mountains. Where's the mountains, Dee Dee?
There.
There's the mountains. She sees two goats butting heads and horns. Can you see two goats? That's not a goat, that's an eagle. Can you see where the goats are?
There.
That's right, there they are. 1,
2.
that's right, very good. Boom, and there they are butting heads. In the desert. Look at all the sand in the desert. Look at all that sand. Hello, meerkats. Hello, Maisie. Where's Maisie?
There.
Where are the meerkats? Can you see the meerkats?
Yeah.
Where are the meerkats? Can you see them standing? There they are. There's the meerkats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 meerkats. And look at them going up and down. Up and down. What's this? Camel.
Mama.
What's this? The scorpion.
Come here.
What's this?
Snake.
That's right, snake. And what's this?
Kite.
Meerkat. That's right. Ah, here we are in the savannah. Maisie is very hot in the savannah. Who's that hiding in the long grass? Who's that hiding?
Daddy, go go.
Oh, look. What's this?
No,
Hippo. Hippo.
Daddy, naughty hippo.
Naughty hippo? Really? Who's hiding here?
Lion.
Is it a lion? Let's have a look. Rah! It is a lion, you're right. Say, bye-bye, lion.
Bye-bye, lion.
Oh, can you find the lion? There he is. Where's the giraffe? With his long, long neck. Where's the giraffe?
There.
That's very good. And where's the zebra?
There.
Well done. And where's the hippo?
There.
Very good, Didi. Say bye-bye, Savannah.
Bye-bye, Savannah.
Oh, here we are in the ocean. Maisie knows lots of animals that live here, deep down in the wide, enormous ocean. We've got a jellyfish. Can you say jellyfish?
Jellyfish.
We've got a seahorse.
Seahorse.
We've got a starfish.
Starfish.
And birdum, birdum,
There.
bum, bum, bum.
There.
We've got a shark. Oh.
There.
Oh, what's that?
Here.
Say octopus.
Go.
Oh, what's this?
Lion.
It's a whale. Hello, big blue whale. Hello, little Maisie. Where's Maisie?
There.
There she is.
Daddy fishing.
Is she fishing?
There.
Oh, she's going swimming. Can you say swimming?
Fishing.
She's swimming with the whale. Say bye-bye, whale. And, oh, here we are in the jungle. Birds and animals love the jungle.
Good.
Maisie is playing with a monkey. What's here? Should we pull it? Let's see. Oh, there they go. Look at them swing. Where's the monkey? Can you see the monkey?
There.
There he is. Where's the crocodile?
There.
That's right. Where's the tiger?
There.
Very good. And where's the parrot?
There.
That's not a parrot. That's a caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Can you see the parrot? This is what the parrot looks like. Where's the parrot?
The.
Hey, very good, Dee.
The one.
What's that?
Crocodile.
Crocodile, that's right. And what's that?
Bye.
Tiger.
Tiger.
And what's that?
Monkey.
Monkey. Say bye-bye, jungle.
Baby jungle.
And last but not least, it's freezing cold near the South Pole. Maisy loves walking among the penguins. Can you see where the penguins are?
Yeah.
That's right, there they are. Say bye-bye, penguins.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, penguins. The end.
There's a fly.